Hi, welcome to this video, how to run meta ads on Instagram. Running meta ads on Instagram involves creating a professional basically Instagram account, business or creator, linking it to Facebook page and using Meta Ads Manager for advanced targeting or boosting posts directly within the app. Okay, so we're gonna do the simple steps. If you don't know how to convert from personal to a business account, hit the profile icon at the bottom right, hit the three bars at the top right with the three lines, scroll over to identify account type and tools, and all I gotta do is just switch from personal to professional account inside here. Okay, now what we're gonna do, we're gonna link a Facebook page. So simply what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna stay on my profile, hit edit profile, right, and just hit under profile information page, continue to connect the page, log in to Facebook, right, add your credentials. Afterwards, they're going to show you the pages available in your account, right? Select any page and then hit connect. And now you can use Meta Ads Manager, right, for advanced targeting or boosting posts directly within the app, which requires like creating a campaign, etc. Also, you can boost a post here on Instagram. So I'm gonna select the post here. I'm gonna press boost post, right, and select the goal. Choose the goal. Visit if you want them to visit your website, visit your profile, message you, mix of actions. Just select mix of actions. Who should see your ad, right? Let's say if you want to edit, you can select another country, right? And then hit next. You're gonna select or you're gonna choose your budget and the duration, right? And then press next and fund your account. So consider liking this video, subscribing. Until next time, see you.